Good morning, students. Next, question number third of exercise 2.1 is: in a magic sphere, the sum of the numbers in each row, in each column, and along the diagonal is the same. In a magic sphere, this is a magic sphere. In this magic sphere, there are 3 rows and 3 columns, okay, and 2 diagonals. We have to check that the sum of all these each row, each column and diagonals should be same. ठीक है, तो ਤੁਸੀਂ चेक करोगे कि तीनों rows का और तीनों columns का and 2 diagonals का जो sum होगा प्लस करके that should be same. Clear? Same question last year भी थी क्लास 6 में, इसको याद होगा. This question, ठीक है. Along row side we have to add these terms, and along vertically we have to subtract these terms. ठीक है. इस क्वेश्चन में चेक करेंगे कि तीनों का सम सेम आ रहा है कि नहीं. ठीक है. First row the first fraction is 4/11, second fraction is 9/11, and third fraction is 3/11. In all these 3 fractions, denominator should be same. Therefore, it is a like fraction. ठीक है. अगर denominator same होगा तो क्या like fraction है. Clear? Now 4 plus 9 plus 2. 4 plus 9 13. 13 plus 2 15. Therefore, sum should be 15/11. This is first row. Now we have to check second row. 3/11 plus 5/11 plus 7/11. Again, denominator same. 11. 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 7 15, 15/11. Clear? First row, second row. Now we will check third row. Okay. In third row, first fraction is 8/11 plus second 1/11 plus third 6/11. Now 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 6 15. Again fraction should be same, 15/11. ठीक है. Now we have to check its column. कौन सी columns में add करते हैं? Like this one. ठीक है. It will include first column, second column, third column. First column में first fraction कितना है? 4/11, second 3/11, third 8/11. 4/11, 3/11 and 8/11. Now denominator again same. 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 8 15, 15/11. In second column, first fraction is 9/11, 5/11, 1/11. 9/11, 5/11, 1/11. 9 plus 5 14 plus 1 15. In third column, first fraction is 2/11. Second 7/11 and third is 6/11. Zero add करोगे again same. 2 plus 7 9, 9 plus 6 15, 15/11. Clear? So this is the sum of all 3 rows and all 3 columns. Now we have to check their diagonals. Clear? First diagonal. This one. Clear? This is diagonal. This is second diagonal. ठीक है. In first diagonal, first fraction is 2/11. Second fraction is 5/11. Third fraction is 6/11. Now 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 6 15, 15/11. ठीक है. Now we have to check second diagonal. First fraction 2/11. Second 5/11. Third is 8/11. 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 8 15, 15/11, 15/11. So check कर लो कि सारे columns, rows and diagonals का sum is same आ रहा है 15/11. Is this a magic sphere? पूछे कि magic sphere हैगा तो क्या लिखोगे? Yes. Yes, it is a magic sphere. Clear, students? So this is your question number 3. Next, take question number 4. Next question 4 is a rectangular sheet of paper is 12 1 by 2 centimeter long and 10 2 by 3 centimeter wide. Find its perimeter. A rectangular sheet. Okay, एक rectangular sheet है जिसे अपन क्या क्या बना long means length that is 12 1 by 2 centimeter. ठीक है, and 10 2 by 3 centimeter wide means width or you can say breadth. ठीक है, that is 10 2 by 3 centimeter. Name the rectangle ABCD. AB and CD is length, that is 12 1 by 2 centimeter, and AD and BC is our breadth, that is 10 2 by 3 centimeter. What we have to find? We have to find its perimeter. Perimeter of rectangular sheet, and the name of sheet is ABCD. Clear? What is the perimeter of rectangle? 2 multiply length plus breadth. This is the formula of perimeter of rectangle. Clear? 2 multiply length plus breadth. What is the length? Length is 12 1 by 2 centimeter. What is its breadth? Breadth is 10 2 by 3 centimeter. ठीक है? Unit again same ही होगी, perimeter की centimeter होगी. Area unit centimeter square and volume centimeter cube. Clear? ओके, हम चेक करो कि जिस फ्रैक्शन से मिक्स फ्रैक्शन दे विच, ठीक है, तो इसे कन्वर्ट करोगे इन इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. ठीक है, 2 12 24 24 plus 1 25, डिनोमिनेटर 2. 3 10 30 30 plus 2 32, डिनोमिनेटर 3. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नेक्स्ट what we have to do? We have to take LCM of 2 and 3. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. 2 कितने का 6? 2 कितने का 6? 3 का 3 multiplied by 25 sin plus 1. ठीक है, 3 कितने का 6? 2 का 2 multiplied by 32. Okay, next 2 as it is 25 3 are 75 plus 32 2 are 64 divided by 6. 2 multiply 75 plus 64, 5 plus 4 9, 7 plus 6 13 divided by 6. ठीक है, कौन सा साइन चेक करो, मल्टीप्लाई जा रहे हैं, so 2 से 6 इनको कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, 2 1 2 2 3 6 139 3. ठीक है, ये अपना आंसर आ गया 139/3. हम चेक करने के लिए क्वेश्चन के ਵਿੱਚ ਦੀ ਵੈਲਿਊ ਸੀ ਲੈਂਥ ਔਰ ਬ੍ਰੈਡਥ ਦੀ, ਉਹ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲ ਮਿਕਸਡ ਫ੍ਰੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਸੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਂਸਰ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਕਸਡ ਫ੍ਰੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਨਵਰਟ ਕਰ ਦਿਓ. ਕਲੀਅਰ? 3 4 12 3 6 18. clear? Quotient remainder over divisor. Quotient is 46, remainder is 1 and divisor 3. Unit 10. So this is the perimeter of a rectangular sheet. That is 46 1 by 3 centimeter. Clear? Next question number 5. Next question number 5 is again same. Find the perimeter of triangle ABE and the rectangle BCDE in this figure. Whose perimeter is greater? Clear? In this question, the figure is given A, B, C, D, E. Length of AB is 5 by 2 centimeter. Length of AE is 3 by 5 centimeter. Length of BE is 2 by 4 centimeter and length of AB is 7 by 6 centimeter. Clear? ठीक है, AB is 5 by 2, AE is 3 by 5, BE is 2 3 by 4 and BD is 7 by 6 centimeter. Clear? There are two parts. In first part we have to find perimeter of triangle ABE. Triangle ABE And in second part, we have to find perimeter of rectangle. In this perimeter of triangle AB, and in second part, perimeter of rectangle BCDE. Clear? Okay. Perimeter of triangle. Perimeter of triangle is sum of all sides. Sum of all sides. Sum of all sides. In this triangle ABE, first side is AD, second side BE, and third side is EA. Clear? What is the length of AB? Length of AB is 5 by 2. Length of BE, it is 2 3 by 4. 2 3 by 4. Length of EA is 3 3 by 5. 3 3 by 5. Okay? 5 by 2. 4 to the 8, 8 plus 3, 11. 5 to the 15, 15 plus 3, 18. Next, taking LCM. LCM of 2, 4 and 5. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 5 as it is. Clear? Next 2 again, 2 ones are 2. Next 5, 5 ones are 5. What is the LCM? 2 twos are 4, 4 fives are 20. So 20 is our LCM. Now 2 kilos are 20. 2 kilos are 20. 10s are. 2 10s are 20. Multiply by 5. Sign plus the 4 kilos are 20. 5s are 5 multiplied by 11. 5 kilos are 20. 4s are 4 multiplied by 18. Okay. 9 10 5s are 50. 11 5s are 55. 18 4s are 70. Divided by 20. Clear? Now add all these two numbers. 0 plus 5 5. 5 plus 2 7. 5 plus 5 10. 10 plus 7 17. Divided by 20. So this is the perimeter of triangle ABE. In second part, we have to find perimeter of rectangle BCDE. ठीक है? Perimeter of rectangle BCDE. Rectangle का perimeter 2 multiply length plus breadth. Length. What is the length? Length is देखो check करो BE and CD. Same हो? Length of BE is how much? 2 3 by 4. 2 3 by 4. And breadth ED and BC. Length of ED is 7 by 6. 7 by 6. Okay, students. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3 11. 11 by 4. 7 by 6. As it is. Now we have to take LCM of 4 and 6. LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. Clear? So find कर check कर लो. 12 LCM होगा, ठीक है? 4 कितने का 12? 3 सब 3 सब. 3 multiplied by 11. 6 कितने का 12? 2 सब 2 multiplied by how much? 7. Okay. Next 3 11s are 33 plus 2 7s are 14. ठीक है? 2 as it is. 3 11s are 33. 2 7s are 14 divided by 12. Now 2 multiply 33 plus 14. 3 plus 4 7. 3 plus 1 4. 2 कितना होगा? 6 7. Total is 47 by 6 centimeters. So 47 plus 6 centimeters is the perimeter of rectangle. And the last